What is micellar water and do you need it? Today, we're going to be answering that question. Hey everyone, welcome to another episode in my brand new What Is series. Every other week, I'll be answering all of your most frequently asked questions in quick, really easy to follow videos. Today, we're talking all about a product that you've probably seen on store shelves, or maybe it's even in your own skincare routine already, but you just may not really know what it does. And that is micellar water. There's so much mystery behind micellar water. What is it? And more importantly, do you really need it? Let's get into it. Micellar water is a gentle liquid cleanser that's been around for quite a while, but it's only recently gained massive popularity. It looks like regular water, but don't be fooled because there's more going on in that little bottle than meets the eye, okay? There's a lot more going on in there. The thing that makes micellar water special is that it's made up of something called micelles, and micelles are tiny cleansing molecules suspended in water that attract dirt, oil, and makeup like a magnet. Okay, it attracts it like a magnet. So when you apply it to your skin, the micelles pull away impurities without the need for scrubbing or even rinsing. You don't even have to rinse it off. The way that it works is the micelles have hydrophobic ends that grab onto oils and impurities and hydrophilic ends that stay attracted to water, making the whole cleansing process really, really gentle on your skin. That's why it is so popular for people with sensitive skin. So how do you use it? All you need to do is soak a cotton pad in it, swipe it over your face, and voila, dirt, sunscreen, makeup, gone. So is micellar water ideal for everyone? Knowing what you know now, does everyone need to get one? Not necessarily, okay? Not necessarily. Let's break down who might benefit from using it the most. So if you have sensitive skin or deal with conditions like rosacea, eczema, micellar water is a great option because it is super gentle. If you wear light makeup or even just sunscreen, you're not a makeup girly, micellar water can easily cleanse your face without stripping its natural oils. So that is great. And if you're someone who travels often or just needs a quick cleanse during the day, like after a workout, for example, right? You just want to do like a quick on-the-go cleanse. It's super convenient for you too. It's an excellent skincare on-the-go product that's much more gentle than a makeup wipe. But there's always a but in beauty, isn't there? If you're someone who wears heavy makeup or if you're looking for a deep cleanse, it may not be enough on its own. You'll probably need to follow it up with a more thorough cleanser. So it could be a good first step to loosen up the makeup, right? That first cleanse step. But it would be a first step only in a double cleanse routine. So you cannot rely on this to remove all of your makeup if you are a makeup girly. Now, if you're considering adding micellar water to your routine, but you're very overwhelmed by the amount of them available on the market, here are a few tips for you in order to pick the right one. If you have sensitive skin, you want to look for micellar waters labeled for sensitive skin. Seems obvious, right? The reason you want them labeled for sensitive skin is because they often have calming ingredients in them, like glycerin, that's going to help your sensitive skin. The most popular ones are Bioderma, Sensibia, H2O, and La Roche-Posay Ultra. The Bioderma one is a cult favorite amongst people with sensitive skin. It's gentle, it's fragrance-free, and it effectively removes makeup and impurities without irritating the skin. This is a really good one. The La Roche-Posay one is also great. Okay, there's soothing thermal spring water in here. That's what La Roche-Posay is known for, and people really love that. This one is dermatologist tested and it's alcohol free. If you have oily skin, you want to opt for a micellar water that's formulated to help with oil control. Okay, the two most popular ones in this category are the La Roche-Posay Effaclar and the Garnier Skin Active All-in-One Mattifying. The La Roche-Posay one is designed specifically for oily, acne-prone skin. It removes that excess oil while leaving the skin fresh and matte. The Garnier one is an affordable drugstore option that's also great for shine control. I have oily skin and I use these guys all the time and they're both awesome. If you have dry skin, you want to choose a micellar water that has added hydrating ingredients in it. So the two most popular ones in this category are Bioderma Hydrobio H2O and Drunk Elephant Erase Milky. This Bioderma one is specifically formulated for dry and dehydrated skin, and it cleanses while also providing hydration with ingredients like glycerin. Actually has apple seed extract in here as well. The Drunk Elephant one is a more premium option. This one has ceramides and plant oils in it, which is really great for dry and sensitive skin. This one's expensive, but this one is definitely luxe. This one's definitely premium. Okay, now to answer the big question, do you need it? The truth is, like most aesthetic things, it depends. Okay, it depends. If you already have a cleanser that works well for your skin, you're happy with your routine, your skin is getting really nice and clean, you don't need micellar water, you don't need it. But if you're looking for a gentle kind of multi-purpose product to remove makeup, cleanse, and refresh your skin, then yes, it's definitely worth trying. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and leave me a what is question in the comment section below if you want a chance to have your question answered in a future video. This video's over.